All right, everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. We have a little rumble and a little noise going on. They have a parade up here today, and we're gonna stay try to cover that a little bit.
Yeah, they said they will start in 5 o'clock p.m.
We're calling all the principals
Yeah,
of
the
the
ones
various
who
schools
know the
competing.
So I
Pwede na
think
po
they
kayo
will
pumunta
start
dito.
in a little bit.
Yeah, it will start here in a little bit, so come on, enjoy the little parade here with us today.
Naramdaman niyo ko pa. Tango kayo po. Lundag kayo po. Ayan. Yan ako mo palang maklak eh.
All right, so we got in here about 3 o'clock, and
We're just... Anong oras na po?
there's quite a bit of people here. Expect a little bit more.
3:30. An hour and a half. Okay kayo mo pugin? Ha? Sabi ko na kayo, if you feel thirsty, drink alcohol.
Wow, that's funny. Drink alcohol if you're thirsty.
Wash your
That's a funny thing.
Okay.
Don't know why they would promote alcohol drinking when 90% of the crowd is kids in the age of 12 to 14 maybe. That's funny. They are now announcing that they will hold back the event for an hour, maybe an hour and a half, due to the heat. Hi. All right, these kids are having fun when they see a camera. Hi. So a little break, and we get right back into it. Yeah, so we took a break, stayed at home in the shade, or home. We went over to our in-laws, or my in-laws, and stayed there for a little bit. So we are about 15 or so minutes maybe out of the actual start of the event. The crowds are getting increasingly a little bigger now, and by the time we start we probably have a lot more.
Alcohol.
Yeah, that is, if you're thirsty, drink alcohol. Is that what he's saying? It's funny. They do give out free water here today, so. I'm just gonna walk down towards the stage here and check it out on the other side of the stage. Sorry guys, it's going to be a little noisy, and hopefully you can hear me here in just now. Umbrellas, 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 protection from the sun. Right ahead there in the center you see the stage. Up here to the left is the sound control room, or whatever you want to call it. And people are coming in here. All right, so this is the little intro. I did not record it. The song will get a copyright strike, I am pretty sure, so I'll try to avoid those things. Coming up next, the national anthem of Philippines. All right, so, honey, you know more than me here. What are we looking at?
That show us the Filipino culture. That's one of the dance of Filipino culture.
Right, and the performers are?
The performers are workers from the
Municipal.
Yeah, municipal.
Building. All right.
Mabalacat.
Yeah. Well, here now we have a different group.
Yeah, this is a student.
These are students.
Yeah,
Middle school?
Yeah, elementary. Yeah.
All right. And I must say they're pretty good.
Yeah.
Good coordination.
It's a competition.
All right. So they compete with other schools?
Yeah.
And
every
perform.
school here in Mabalacat.
Oh, okay.
Elementary.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Right? A lot of activities. Here comes the next.
This is the elementary school.
Is Dau?
Yeah, it's Dau.
Okay, Dau Elementary. Why do we mention Dau?
Because we live in Dau.
Because we live in Dau. We live right nearby that school.
Yes.
So you have a lot of talented kids here in Dau.
Yeah, one of my nephews, he's school in Dau.
Yeah.
Sean.
Yeah. It's great. There must have been practice. The coordination is so good.
Yeah.
They've been doing this for a while, I guess.
Yeah. They extend a little bit the schedule. It's supposed to be on 21, 22.
Right, and this is kind of part of Philippine culture, dance. It looks to me like they're dressed in some
like an native Filipino.
Yeah, native Filipino clothing.
Yeah, it's similar to Aita.
Yeah.
Here in Mabalacat,
right. Aita clothing. Okay. All right. Let's go and see the kids coming off the stage here.
Yeah, they're going to the other side.
Yeah, they have lined them up.
Yeah.
Outside the front gate, and they're taking them in straight up on the stage,
Yeah.
and then when they're done, they take them out through the back way
Yeah,
into
because
their.
there is more to come. The other performer.
Yeah, the more performers are waiting
Yeah.
outside.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So we're up here at the main gate, and we were gonna try to get out.
Yeah, this school is Dap Elementary School.
Oh, Dap Elementary School.
Yeah, this is
Yeah. They are playing the Mabalacat song.
Yeah.
A lot of the groups here did that.
Yeah.
So
The same song but different
yeah.
perform.
All right. So we had to walk around, come out, but here is the outside and the front entrance.
Yeah.
And these kids are still waiting to perform.
Yeah.
And you see some of the adults here. I'm assuming they are
That's the teachers.
the teachers and trainers, and everybody seems to have a really jolly good time.
Yeah.
Look at those peacock heads, or whatever they are. It's pretty cool though.
Yeah.
And
It's amazing. It's amazing how they prepare the costumes.
right.
Yeah. It's a lot of
Lot of different dresses. Who designs these things? Is it the teachers, or is it they have
the organizer.
Huh?
The organizer.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't say this is your costume. Each costume is to represent their school.
Oh, okay. Well, look at this. All these kids enjoying it. That's one thing that I like about the Filipino culture. there's a lot of colors in all these events, and selfies are popular, are they not? Look, wherever you look, somebody's taking a selfie in Filipinos or Philippines,
Filipina or Filipinos.
especially Filipinas, taking selfies all the time. So we are outside, heading to the actually the main entrance of the development, and they're all lined up here. I mean, they got to be hundreds of them, if not thousands. It's going to be a long day. We are not staying here to watch the whole thing.
Because it's getting dark.
While the sun is about to go down, and like I said, I've had some flu, and I think my wife here is coming down with a little bit.
I have now.
So we had enough for today, but it's been an enjoyable afternoon. And look at those pretty dresses. I mean, it's just pretty cool. Really cool, actually. And they all like to wave to the camera. So right ahead of us there, you see the main entrance, and that's where we're heading. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you again
in the next video.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.